very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the resonant mind, listening the unheard, seeing the unseen. Ladies and gentlemen, in an age overflowing with words, humanity speaks more, yet understands less. Voices multiply, but meaning dissolves in the noise. Thoughts are expressed before they are felt, and conclusions appear before reflection completes. The modern mind reflects much, yet observes little, speaks much, yet listens less. Yet awareness matures not through expression, but through attentive silence. It is not in reacting that truth is found. It is in observing with clarity. The universe itself is built upon this principle. Every atom listens before it aligns. Every vibration responds only when it attunes. In that silent attunement, wisdom begins to breathe. Consciousness is not a stream of thoughts, but a living field of perception, subtle, intelligent, and receptive to the faintest whisper of truth. When this field is filled with noise of opinions, impulses, and distractions, its sensitivity fades. Modern science affirms that the human brain functions as a symphony of frequencies. Calm and listening minds generate smooth alpha waves. Moments of deep understanding bring gamma coherence. Listening and observation synchronize these patterns, creating harmony between intellect and emotion, a neural rhythm that mirrors the art of conscious alignment. Ancient wisdom spoke of the same truth. The seers described drashta bhava, the witnessing state where awareness sees without distortion. In that silence, thought becomes pure, emotion refines into insight, and response replaces reaction. Quantum science, centuries later, echoes this revelation. The observer influences the observed. Conscious perception is not passive. It shapes the reality it beholds. But in the haste to speak and assert, much is lost. Relationships lose empathy, knowledge loses meaning, and achievement loses peace. Listening and observing are not passive virtues. They are active sciences of awareness that refine the brain, balance emotion, and awaken coherence between mind and heart. To listen deeply is to tune the mind into the pulse of existence. To observe insightfully is to decode the silent intelligence that moves through all things. Together, they lift consciousness to the state of resonance, where mind, emotion, and life flow as one rhythm of understanding. What's the way forward? Transformation begins in the smallest pauses: a silence before reply, a breath before conclusion, an observation before judgment. These pauses are not weakness, they are mastery. Moments when the individual mind aligns with the intelligence of creation. When consciousness attunes to this higher rhythm, actions become effortless, relationships meaningful, and living itself turns graceful. The restless urge to control dissolves, replaced by a quiet communion with life's unfolding. This is the true art of conscious alignment, where intention harmonizes with divine design. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, listening and observing are not acts of attention alone. They are acts of evolution. They refine perception, dissolve restlessness, and restore communion between the human and the cosmic. Every silence conceals guidance. Every unnoticed detail carries revelation. To listen is to harmonize with the unseen. To observe is to awaken to the whole. When both unite, consciousness transcends confusion and enters coherence. Beyond effort, beyond fear, beyond separation. In that state, life is no longer managed. It is lived through understanding. As Lord Krishna declares in the revered Bhagavad Gita, through attentive faith and mindful awareness, one attains true wisdom. The divine cosmic intelligence has never withdrawn its hand. It is ever ready guide, protect and reveal. When the mind is trained to be still, attuned and in communion, that intelligence begins to communicate through intuition, timing and quiet signs. What once seemed coincidence becomes direction. What felt uncertain becomes clear. Consciousness resonating in this attunement discovers that divine guidance was never absent, only unheard. Good luck, best wishes and God bless.